Alright, we're here at 1476 Town Center Drive, here at the Lakeland Village Town Center in Lakeland, Florida. And here we have an Otis elevator to ride. Otis with Series 5. Two. One. Door close does not work. It's got a very high ceiling, but it's a nice elevator though. These are your Series 5 buttons. Certificate down there. Floor indicator. Capacity is 2,500. Elevator number 2. We'll go up one more time to 2. Again, like I said, door close does not work. And now we'll end at 1. Well, that's messed up. And that'll be it.